All right, back again, and it is a muddy mess, but we're going to try to put this tank in, and we're going to do it before the framers get here and start framing. So there is the sewer pipe, we think. We're going to dig and try to find it. Alright, we found it. Oh no, that's his cap. Yeah, he said he had that cap on. See it? Yeah. Open your eyes! I'm not you, I was talking to these people. Yeah, that's perfect. How did we miss that? We barely missed it. I don't understand how we missed it.
If we do it here, it's up to you.
My thing is I need to get far enough away from it that I don't have to set the tank exactly at that.
Yeah.
We can put the tank a little lower. Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's a little too deep, but it's okay. You should never have your plumbing that deep when it's 10 foot from the house. But it's okay. It's still doable, barely. Okay, you got 48 down there. Yeah, hang on, let me see. Right there. 47. Is that good?
Yeah, that means we're lower than that for sure.
By how many?
4, 5
Okay.
inches. Yeah. Good for now. What's it look like over there?
I might need to pull it out and dig down because I'm a foot up because of this. And I can't go back any further. I'm all the way up against the wall. Okay.
We'll have to pull it out and dig.
It's all right.
Alright, so we're hitting. Oh, we almost got it. We're hitting right there, so we just got to dig that out. Because we're all the way backed up. Man, I dug that out right there just about perfect.
Yeah. It's only about 3-4 inches.
So it needs to go down.
Yeah.
Well, I'm all the way back. I don't know. All right, I am out of breath, folks. Well, yeah, we're getting somewhere. It is muddy, mucky, muddy mess, and that's for sure. Oh, we gotta get this done. We got rain coming tomorrow, and yeah, that's all we've had is rain. So we're getting her done. We'll be here. It's gonna pour in the morning, so we'll be here in the afternoon to finish up. We don't have much. We ran out of pipe. So John went to pick that up, but he'll never make it back in time for us to install it. It's getting too late. Anyway, it's been a tough one today, folks. We did all this pipe today, plus added a couple of more chamber. Dug out everything dug the ditches out for the pipe. All of that good stuff. I am falling everywhere. I am so sorry. Alright, from that chamber to this one. And Yeah, we don't have long to go. We got just probably 3 more pieces of pipe. Now this is crazy how this comes down. This is where it enters into the chamber system. This one fills up, and then you've seen the pipe down there. It flows into the next one. This one fills up, and then it flows into the next one, which is the shortest one. It's 30-something feet. Look at that. It's at an angle, folks. It doesn't matter as long as it's going downhill. Oh, mercy. Got a 45, a 22. Oh, what else we got? It's crazy. The tank's way up there. All right, so we got another 22 here. I got another 22 here. Got another 22 right here. Regular coupling. All right, and so we got a 45 right here. We got a 45 there. It's going to take it up, and then we'll 45 it. This will be flipped around. I got it like that because of the rain that's coming. It will be flipped around, and there's the tank right there. So I'll put this 45 down here somewhere, and that's it. We got to go from the house to the tank, and then finish up from the tank to the field line. Hopefully we can get that done tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. I got this packed in good before the rain gets here. It's been something else, folks. So it's been absolutely wet this spring and summer. I told John today, I said, hey, we better prepare. It's going to be a wet summer. It is. It's supposed to be really nice, no rain next week. But we'll see. It's warm today. Humid. Nothing like Georgia or Florida, but it's something. Anyway, all done with the little Mini X. And in a few minutes, I'll show you the house that they framed today. And man, they're banging it out. So it's just 3 of them framing it, and they have done a fabulous job. So we'll go over that in a minute. Oh, they're getting it done, folks. They did all this today. They got all the the outside walls, the perimeter walls done, all 2x6, 9-foot ceilings. Oh, they're moving. I guarantee these guys will get this thing close to framed in, all but the trusses. Awesome. Man. All right, finally finished. And man, was this one a doozy. I mean, look, well, let's turn back. See where it comes in, see how deep it is. You really should not put your plumbing coming out of your house that deep. It doesn't need to be no more than 1.5 feet or so coming out of the house. So that's very deep, which put the tank's going to be 3 feet under the ground, which a plastic tank shouldn't be more than 4 feet under the ground. But yeah, so barely squeezed by. Now this is probably because of the weather, because of all the rain, and because of the craziness of the pipe. This is the hardest one we've done as far as septic installs go. One of the hardest. So we got, let me see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Ooh, we got about 70 feet, I would say. 70 something feet of pipe. Not terrible. Oh, it's been a doozy, folks. Something else, but we got her done. So she is 100% complete. T's are all in. The tank installed. I didn't record all of that. It was too hard in this mucky mud. So this morning, it poured down rain on us. Everybody, the framers ran to their trailer. We ran to the trucks. It just poured for about 10 minutes. Rained yesterday, of course, and it's just a mess. So she's done. On to the next one.